பர்வதமேகள் வைரமே பொன்னே புகழ் சேர் பொன்மலையே சோதி வடிவான ரூபனே என் குருநாதா என் குருநாதா என் குருநாதா அஞ்ஞான கடல் நீங்கி எனக்கு ஆத்ம ஞானம் அளிப்பாய் குருநாதா நித்யானந்தா ஆத்ம ஞானம் அளிப்பாய் நித்யானந்தா கொண்டு கங்கை முடி கொண்டு நர்த்தனம் புரியும் ஈசனே சுடலை முடி பூசி உடுக்கை தனையேந்தும் காலனே புலிதோலனே வழிகால் உள்ள முறைகின்ற மதுரை மாநகரின் ராசனே இன்னல்களை கலைந்து இன்பங்களை அளிக்கும் சுந்தர வடமணி நேசனே ஞாயிறு திங்கள் நித்த முறைகின்ற செவ்வழி கொண்ட செல்வனே சொற்கனே எந்த சோமனே ஐயா சோதி வடிவான
नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. Nityanandam, I know we are all eagerly waiting for Swamiji's initiation, but just before the initiation, we have a very, very, very exciting announcement to make, which is about the upcoming auspicious night, the most auspicious night of the year, which is the night of Maha Sada Shivaratri. Maha Sada Shivaratri is a night when an explosion of the superconscious energy happens on our planet. The Vedic cosmology, the Hindu cosmology, traces this explosion back to the Big Bang, the moment of the creation of our very universe. In our sacred Vedic text, Arunachala Purana, this moment is depicted as the time when Lord Maha Sadashiva himself, who is the embodiment of the superconscious energy, taking the form of a Jyoti Stamba, the endless light shaft, took the form of the formless form of Jyoti Stamba, the column of light, column of fire, spanning the earth and the sky. Every year, by the beautiful alignment, auspicious alignment of the cosmic forces, that very same reflection of that same explosion happens on the night of Maha Sadashivaratri, which in this year of 2018 falls on the night of 13th of February. This night, when Maha Sadashiva himself manifests, the unmanifest manifested in the form of the Jyoti Stamba. And for all the blessed disciples of the avatar, he not just manifested during the Big Bang, during the creation of the universe, he has manifested in the very embodied form to bless all his devotees once again in the form of the incarnation of Maha Sadashiva himself in the form of our beloved Swamiji, Paramahamsa Sri Nityananda. And it gives us immense pleasure, joy, to invite all the members of the Nityananda Sangha, all the devotees and the entire humanity to join us for this auspicious night, for the grand festivities that we are going to be having in the Adi Kailaya with Maha Sadashiva himself. Today is an auspicious beginning to the celebrations of the Maha Sadashivaratri as the Nityanandeshwara Sadashiva Devasthana. And on behalf of the Nityanandeshwara Sadashiva Devasthana, all the Adi Kailaya Vasis are going to be inviting Swamiji, inviting Mahasadashiva himself to grace us on that occasion. The Nityanandeshwara Sadashiva Devasthana welcomes one and all to join us for this celebration. Let's now watch and celebrate as the Adi Kailaya Vasis come forward to invite Swamiji for the Mahasadashivaratri celebrations. Nityanandam.
எஸ்